No way I just did this. Sorry. Who's cooking up? Ya no se oye.
Chop, chop.
Brush my damn teeth. Damn. We actually haven't freaking heard the alarm in a minute. Oh, I guess it's gonna be good. Hold on. There we go. I hate the color of this restaurant. It looks like I'm on a cardboard box. Sorry, I need breakfast. I need to eat something. Another day, another Twilight Saga movie. Oh, I can even see you. Oh, who's that? I'm literally watching the movie, baby. I should probably put it full screen. Brrr. Woo, woo. What are you doing with my phone? ¿Qué haces con mi teléfono? Bro, I need a shower, but we put our towels to wash, so I'll have to wait until they're washed and dried so I can take a shower. It's been a boring day. I literally took a badass nap. I don't even know what time. I barely woke up around 8:30. Right now it's damn, it was 10. Yeah. I'm gonna go put the towels to dry. Amanda, ¿dónde te pongo esto? Te llevo la de. ¿Quieres jugo? ¿Qué traes? I'm gonna take a pill because my head hurts. So I'm actually not gonna shower today. It's really late already and I don't want to make too much noise. It is 11:19. My dad works. I don't want to wake him up. I don't want to like bother anybody. Tomorrow we have a levantamiento. I kind of don't want to go. I'm just today like I've been sad. That's kind of the reason why I was asleep like all afternoon. But I'm good. Like don't even worry about me. We all have our days. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again. I'm so sorry I didn't vlog today. Breakfast cup of juice. My boy, the dogs are out. Oh, Cheto, sorry. I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, I'm gonna put my primer on. I'm gonna go wear my beauty blender so that I can blend my makeup. Chingo tu I feel like I decided to put way too much. Just for today. I'm wearing a tapadera. It was here the whole time. Cups of the rose. I guess I now have to. I literally thought I lost it. That was Gustavo for sure. No wonder I was like, I don't think I can have that song. And then I was like, maybe like Isaac added it on exit or something. That was definitely Gustavo because they have the same account. I was like, why didn't it just stop? No way I just did this. This was, oh well. I need to see what I'm gonna wear. So I just have to wear this gray long sleeve with the leggings, and I'm going to wear my jacket and shoes. Well, the same ones that I always wear. I didn't put contour on my face, but I probably should put some on my forehead. Oh, this is not the one. To bring some life into my forehead. That's it. I'm not going. I look like I'm 30. Potato number 1 and potato number 2 is not here. Chulini. Are we leaving? He's going after us. You're going after us, like after we leave, because you can take a shower.
Okay.
Bye bye. Pues si quieres págale ahí para que te prenda acá. Bye. Oh, está chiquito.
Con sus guantes.
Me quedé encandilado.
Encandilado. It's a bit cool.
Bravo, mi niño. ¿Otra vez? Sí, dale. Eso. ¿Otra vez?
Otra vez.
Puedes, dale, ya.
You guys, I drove for the first time in a while. No, hoy de ti, pero perdidamente. I made myself a sopa maruchan and some chips, my dinner. Oh, I need to wait. I need to bring a water bottle because that's the only thing I'm gonna drink. Clean clothes that we need to fold. You know what I'm gonna do? Put it in the chair. That's tomorrow's problem. Water bottle. Every last drop. Oh, that was more than enough. You guys, this is already part 2, so this is the last movie and I am done with the series. Oh, my little sopita, water bottle and chips. What do you have right there? Oh. What do you say? What'd you call me? He literally dropped that close. We have been babysitting this baby all day. It's already gonna be 10. Ay! Oh! Parkour!
Parkour. Dale, sir. Espérate.
Oh, stop.
¿Dónde vas? ¿No? Ahí voy, pues, ahí voy. Abre, espérate, pues. ¿Dónde, cabrón?
Ah, ahí viene el toro. No, espérate, te vas a llevar. Está conectada. Mira, mira, mira. Oye, ¿por qué te lo haces más grande? You better not kill the baby. Okay. Sir, it is Sunday today. Yesterday I didn't really vlog because I was just taking care of my room for the whole day. Just, I don't know what the fuck else I was doing. So I was supposed to be the day that Ross was gonna be discounting its prices to 49 cents. But supposedly it's not true, so I don't know. Alright, now we're gonna go to his uncle's taqueria and eat some brekkie, some breakfast. And then take Lupita to the house because we were her ride for today. God, it looks really puffy. I don't even know if it's cold. It's probably fucking hot. Other years it's like, it's already gonna be February and it's not even that cold. It's almost gonna be March, and March is when it starts getting cooler. I mean, fresher, and then April, that's when like spring hits and shit. Bro, looking funny. This one on my right foot. Tuesday I have my driver's test. I don't even know if I mentioned it, but last time that I had my driver's test on the 9th, I failed it. I don't want to say it. I'm gonna get embarrassed. I don't want to think about it. Just know that I failed. Scheduled another appointment and hopefully I pass it. I'm so nervous because if I don't pass it, I'm gonna have to pay my ticket in full, and that's almost $700. I'm gonna take my laptop just in case we do end up going to his mom's so I can edit and maybe post it today. I don't know. So let me put my things in my bag. My charger, notebook here. I am ready to go. Now my fucking Gustav's already waiting for me in the car. So let me shut the this is way. So let me shut the fuck up and leave. I don't know if there's something else in there. Hey, look. Anywhere I go, I got kind of hot, so I took my sweater off.
Es que no tenía azúcar, leche. Aguas.
He brought me some Jamaica. He's like, I don't stay myself. I'm wearing black, bro.
Quita los tenis ya.
Sorry. I literally took a 5-minute nap at my sickness. I literally knocked out. Like I put my head back and knocked out. And I'm home. Dinner. Oh, not the socks.